iPhone design. Okay, so kanyang power button is red, volume rocker, have your noise cancelling mic dito. Then we have your SIM tray, which tingnan natin, check natin, and let's see what we got inside. Check. So yeah, triple card slot, micro SD plus dalawang 4G na nano SIM, and sa ilalim nandiyan pa rin kanyang audio jack. Goods, isang speaker, tsaka Type-C port. So, nice is that punch hole na siya. Medyo makapagkunti ka ng bezels. No? Can't blame it. And, okay naman. Smooth naman. Kind of operation. No? Malalaman natin yung full review nito kung kamusta naman kanyang performance. So, don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel. No? So, try lang natin to get a quick snap dito. Which I normally do. Yeah. Okay. Mabilis naman siya mag-snap.